Hi everyone, this is my report all about characteristic polynomial. Let's start with what is characteristic polynomial? The characteristic polynomial of a square matrix A is a polynomial that provides crucial information about the matrix, such as its eigenvalues. It is defined as P sub A of lambda equals the determinant of A minus lambda times the identity matrix, where A is the square matrix, lambda is a scalar which represents the eigenvalue, I is the identity matrix of the same dimension as A, and that denotes the determinant of a matrix. Let's proceed to steps to find the characteristic polynomial. Step 1. Subtract lambda times the identity matrix from A. Step 2. Calculate the determinant. Find the determinant of a matrix. Square matrix minus lambda times the identity matrix. The result is a polynomial in lambda, which is the characteristic polynomial. So let's have an example. Let's have a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's find the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A equals to the 2 by 2 matrix with the first row 4 and 1 and the second row containing 2 and 3. Step 1. Subtract lambda times the identity matrix. Square matrix minus lambda times the identity matrix equals to the first row is 4 and 1 and the second row is 2 and 3 minus lambda times the identity matrix, which is 1, 0, 0, 1. To find for the identity matrix, we will set the main diagonal by 1 and fill all other positions with 0. So let's simplify this one. So this one would make it negative lambda times 1 is negative lambda. Negative lambda times 0 is 0. Negative lambda times 0 is 0. And negative lambda times 1 is negative lambda. And then let us proceed to subtraction. So 4 minus lambda. Next, 2 minus 0 is 0. And this one, 1 minus 0 is 1. And the last one is 3 minus lambda is 3 minus lambda. Step 2. Find the determinant. So determinant of square matrix minus lambda times the identity matrix equals to the determinant of the first row, which is 4 minus lambda and 1, and the second row, which is 2 and 3 minus lambda. So in determining the determinant or in calculating the determinant, we will multiply 4 minus lambda times 3 minus lambda and then minus the product of 1 and 2. So we will expand this one. So this is using FOIL. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 minus lambda is negative 4 lambda. Negative lambda times 3 is negative lambda. And negative lambda times negative lambda is positive lambda squared minus 2. So combine like terms. So we have first is lambda squared and then combine negative 4 lambda minus negative 3 lambda, that is negative 7 lambda, and then 12 minus 2 is, that is positive 10. So the characteristic polynomial is P sub A of lambda equals to lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 10. So that is our characteristic polynomial of this 2 by 2 matrix. So let us proceed to the next example. So let's have a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's consider a 3 by 3 matrix, which is matrix A equals to the first row, which is 1, 2, and 3. The second row, which is 0, 4, and 5, and the last row, which is 0, 0, and 6. So again, let's have our step 1, which is subtract lambda times the identity matrix. So the answer is 1 minus lambda. So we have here 2, 3, 0, 4 minus lambda, 5, 0, 0, and the last one is 6 minus lambda. Next, for the step 2, we will find for the determinant. So let us multiply 1 minus lambda times 4 minus lambda times 6 minus lambda. So we will just expand this one so we can find the characteristic polynomial of a 3 by 3 matrix. So for the summary of our lesson, so the characteristic polynomial is a fundamental concept in linear algebra, providing insight into the eigenvalues of a matrix. By following the steps outlined, you can find the characteristic polynomial of any square matrix and use it to understand the important properties of the matrix. So that's all. So thank you and God bless.